Okay. Okay. Now it's really coming down out here. We finally are getting the big storm that we've been waiting for since last night. And you see my front lawn is, my back lawn is green. All the rain we've had is brown for a while. But this is finally the storm, the mega storm. I wouldn't say mega storm, but still. Hopefully, if I get moss, hopefully if I'll be able to go over to Biona Creek and take videos over there later, but this is really something. Wow. We finally are getting, I think now we can officially say the drought in Southern California is over.